Hi everyone, this is Nicole from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today we're going to be going through the band row from the ACE home-based maintenance program. So the purpose of this exercise is to work on strengthening our back and postural muscles. So you should be able to feel this one right in the middle of those shoulder blades. So I'm going to demonstrate this exercise, and as always, make sure you pick an intensity that works for you. And then we also have a disclaimer up on the website, so make sure you take a look at that before you get started. If you do have any questions, you're always welcome to email us at ace@ucalgary.ca. Okay, onto the band row. So I have this band looped right here on my door handle. You can find an anchor in your house wherever you can find space. So I've used the fridge door before. Just make sure you pull in the right direction. I've used door handles. If you have absolutely nothing, you can always recruit a family member who's stuck in isolation with you to do this. But you want to start with your band at about chest or just lower height. You're going to start by setting your posture back. So we want to make sure we're maintaining a nice upright posture. Core is engaged. And then I want you to lead with your elbows, engaging from the back, squeezing those shoulder blades together, nice control on the way back. So squeeze those shoulder blades together, control on the way back. You can do this feet together as well. I tend to prefer staggered stance just because it helps with lower back issues. And then to make this harder or easier, what you want to do is you just want to either walk a little bit closer and loosen up the tension on the band, or take a step away and add a bit more tension. And that's your band row.